Hey guys, welcome back to my Facebook page, my YouTube channel. I want to eat a very little rice with salad with chicken wings. Please guys, join me, share this video. Let's enjoy it together. Look at what I'm eating with fresh tomatoes. It's fried rice. I'm very hungry. Please back and follow my page, support me. As we do, God will bless you. God will meet you at the point of your need. This is roasted chicken wings. Roasted one. Stop using oil all the time. Roasted one is even more sweeter. If you roast it, it's tasting very good now. If you roast it, it's tasting very nice. Coffee is not at all. I'm drinking it.
This your chicken na Mukban for buy.
Uh,
When they buy for Mukban again, that the better pass.
okay.
This one get the way big. Now
It's sweet though.
it look
I'm
like
doing
this.
video, my love.
You won't buy this one.
I'm doing video, period.
It's okay, mama. You buy banana.
Very sweet.
Hey.
I just go on because it with video.
Obi.
My husband wants you guys to hear his voice.
No.
Because you know I'm a fully married woman.
Obi married one.
Fully one. Everything pay in full. So, very so, smaller but more salad. Salad is very sweet. Salad is very sweet.
I need your phone.
Hmm?
The other one. I have to put credit inside.
Salad is very sweet. Fish salad, fresh tomato. Use it to.
Did you finish the caution?
This chicken is toasted chicken. Very yummy. Mm-hmm. Mm. Very sweet. I think I did not take too much rice, but I take more salad. You will be full. Eat more veggies. Mm? More vegetable.
This side the mule.
Mm. I do enjoy this with my people. Thank, thank you all so much for supporting my amazing family. God will bless you. Mm. This is the best mukbang ever. Mm. Thank you guys.
No man.
Thank you guys.
Let's skate. Ja? Also
Mm.
Fanta. Als je vergessen.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. God bless you. I finished this one because it was not much. The salad was much. If you want to do more bang, let the salad be much. If salad is more than what you are eating, you will finish it. See. Hey, if the salad is much, first time I'm doing more bang, I finish everything. Because I like the veggies, the vegetable to be more than the food I am eating. So that is why I get to this, my people. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. May God bless you. Thank you for watching. Excuse me, I'm full. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.